What's up, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers, everybody around the world, man? Thank you for joining me on my channel again. I appreciate every last one of you. So today I went to Tri-State, and I just simply went to go pick up my K-Series transmission that I was rebuilding with Cunha at CLM. And so we're going to raffle off Scarlett, and while we're doing that, I figured, let me just build a simpler car with a stock motor, and then we'll do a whole build on it throughout the channel, and we'll get to interact more with people that really can't afford to fully build their motor. So I ended up buying a full swap and some goodies today at Tri-State. Yeah, it's in the back of the CRV. So yeah, I'm excited, man. So we're gonna introduce this thing called Project Driver. And we're going to build basically a stock. I'm looking for an EG coupe, and I'm going to put a stock TSX motor that I bought from it today, bone stock. I'll show you guys how to do the modified oil pump, the Type S one. And it's got a stock Z3 trans, so we'll show you guys how to wire up the vehicle speed. And yeah, that's basically it. So I got the full swap. I bought an RBC with it, a wire harness. I almost bought a nitrous kit too that was used, but I was like, you know what, that's too much. Let's just do the tutorials like that. But yeah, without further ado, I'm about to take that motor out of the back of the CRV. We're going to put it on the vane stands, and you guys will finally understand why I'm emphasizing on this vane stand. But yeah, let's gear up, man. Keep gunning. So there it is. It's K24A2 bone stock. It's exactly what I wanted. It'll make a good amount of torque for us. It's a 2.4 liter. Came with a nice little red valve cover that was painted. Transmission looks real clean. I got a 6-speed RSX mechanism in there. This is a Z3 transmission, so it comes with the factory differential. I got the wire harness in here. I got an RBC in here. But we'll take everything out. We'll go over it. And oh, look at my boy. Oh, they forgetting about you. That's what I want them to do, my boy. I want them to forget about you. Because it's almost kill time. It's almost kill time. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Motor's on the stand. I didn't have anyone to help me. It was hard. But yeah, motor's on the stand. This is my lane stand. This is the vane one I was telling you guys about. And it's a miracle, man. I'm going to actually build this entire motor. Sorry about the lighting. Let me get some better lighting here for you. I'm going to actually build the entire motor on this stand and put it into the next car that we're going to find a shell for. So Z3 trans. Maybe this fan is loud. So yeah, Z3 transmission, K24A2 bone stock, and it's exactly what I wanted to do. So I want to put a RSX Type S oil pump in it so I can get a higher rev out of it and get some oil pressure to the cylinder head. And yeah, that's basically what we're going to do. We're going to teach you guys how to drive on a simpler setup because Scarlett is she's just a monster. She's a killer, man. Scarlett, she's going to be too much of a problem to try to teach you guys how to pedal and preload and stuff like that. But long story short, we are going to put this motor in an EG, preferably a coupe. That's what I'm looking for. I want to do a coupe. I want to just switch it up a little bit. What else did we get? We got the alternator. We got a stock shift box, which is what I wanted to use also. I really want to kind of make this budget. You know, I just don't want to complicate things. This is the new Tri-State Motorsports. I'm the first one with it, with their shifter box plate. Awesome. So I can't wait to use that. Picked up a stock engine harness, which is what I really like. It's just, it needs some cleaning up. It's an 02 to 04 RSX Type S. That's the only one you could use with a swap. What else we got in here? A shift mech for 6-speed, because I can't use that shift mech. You cannot use the Z3 one. Got a starter in here. Got a oil pump chain guide. I nailed it with this. Got a fork in there, some other miscellaneous screws. Picked up an RBC also. Get a fuel rail set up. put some 1000cc injectors in it, water pump, stuff like that. But yeah, this will be the future build right here for the next car. It's called Project Driver. Let me know what you guys think about that. Do you guys like that name? I don't know. Project Driver, because it's solely made to teach my followers how to drive. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about that name, Project Driver. Do you think it's catchy? Do you think we should switch it? Every opinion is valued. So keep it respectful. We'll have a lot of fun with this channel. Keep it respectful. We'll have a lot of fun with this build. You guys are going to watch me do everything in front of you. So I'll be right back. All right, boys and girls. So we're going to let go of Scarlet. We're going to raffle it off. A lot of people gave some good suggestions on maybe just putting this motor that I just picked up in here and then selling the swap. The only reason I don't want to do that is the car runs so good. And is it $15,000 that I'm getting for the car? Yes. It took $13,000 to get to the $15,000. That's not a great investment. That's one. Two, why not change someone's life for $50? Someone is going to win Scarlet for $50. Like, let that sink in for a little bit. Like, hey, man, wow, your car is beautiful. It's great. It's fast. How much did it cost you? $50. What? Yeah, I won it during a gunner raffle. All right, that's awesome. So what I did yesterday was not to get tempted to drive it. I went ahead and drained the oil out of the motor and the transmission. As you can see, like, I've got the funnel like right there, so I don't get tempted to drive it. I'm gonna give it like a nice, change all the fluids. I'll probably, even swap out the antifreeze that's in it, and then just get the car to 1,000%. So Scarlet's gonna go. We're gonna build another car, and it's gonna be a simpler. So it's gonna be a simpler build, and with that is. So what horsepower range are we aiming for? I don't know. I'd like to make like 260, 250. No, you know what? I'd like to make 250 out of this stock. Arm fell off. I'd like to make 250 out of this stock motor. You think we can do it? Well, on E85, ported. We'll port the RBC ourselves. We'll vlog the entire thing. We got a nice size throttle body on there. I don't know if I said E85. Put some E85 in it. See how it goes. But let's see if we can get to 250 out of a stock TSX. Bone stock. We won't touch it internally. We'll put a decent header on it. We'll put a good size throttle body. And we'll go from there. Any suggestions is also cool too. What should we do about the body? Because I want it to be a real street car, just like Scarlet, but just with just less power. So thinking about maybe just cutting the quarters. I don't know, just getting rid of some of the heavier stuff. I think I found a beautiful white EG EX coupe that's way down in North Carolina at Mike's. So maybe we can drop off the blue hatch to North Carolina. We'll even record going down there and take that whole experience with each other. Drop off the blue hatch and then pick up the white coupe and then see how that goes. I got some pictures of it today. It looks real clean, looks beautiful. It just needs, it just needs some TLC. But yeah, man, I'm excited for this because we get to educate even more. There's a whole DIY on this channel of how to do a swap in the EG, and it gets overlooked all the time. But I understand as my following comes up and subscribers come up on YouTube, most people aren't going way back. Some people are, because they're like, oh man, we're learning so much from this kid, and he's teaching us everything we need to know and making it so simple. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment about the name Project Driver. Let me know what you guys think about Scarlet. I know there's going to be a couple of comments on where is Scarlet going to be raffled. It will be July 12th on Instagram only, PayPal only. And I'm sorry if some of you don't have Instagram. I apologize, but it's the easiest way to interact with each and every one of you. Yeah, fun stuff, man. The channel is growing. I think I just cracked like $1,000, but I haven't gotten paid yet neither. So I don't know why. They said that AdSense is supposed to send me a paper with a PIN number, and I'm supposed to enter that somewhere. So if any YouTuber out there is willing to help me, maybe write it down in the comments. I don't know what to do about getting paid because the money is growing. I think like I'm at $1,020 for all these videos that I've done, but I don't know how to get the money. Like, does YouTube have a phone number? I don't know. So help me out. I appreciate every last one of you, man. Keep gunning, man. This is going to be an awesome build. Thank you so much to every single person watching me right now for supporting me. If you truly support me, thank you so much, man. I am nothing without you guys. I'll just be a kid that knows what he knows and nothing will come about it. But keep gunning, man. I love y'all, man. Gunner World.